Oh, this camera, boys. Hey, you boys are having a grand old time. Aren't you really loving this weather, boys? And of course, now you all go to ground. There goes little Griggy. The boys are loving this weather. I just saw a flash of lightning. The thunder doesn't seem to worry them. Doesn't worry me, Dad. Doesn't it, Gary? Not in the slightest, Dad. Does worry our Floydy, though. Now, it's a reasonable way away. There's our Henry. There's our Greggy. Heading over towards the jump out, I suspect. He's gonna. There's an apple there, Dad. Oh, Floydy's not gonna like this. There's an apple there, Dad. I saw this woman called Miley Cyrus do a song, Dad. I think that apple might be a great prop, Dad. What are you up to, Greggy? You very seldom ever jump from here. I'm just going to have a bit of that apple, I am, Dad. What are you doing inside? You know you're not allowed in. Floydy, come on. Floydy, out, come on. Floyd, come on, out. Floyd, out, come on. Floyd, out. Floyd, out. Come on. Oh, Floyd.